keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Welcome dear students of Thakur Vidyamandi High School and Junior College. Students, today our subject is maths and topic is perimeter and area. Let's learn something new about perimeter and area. I know in third standard also you are having the same chapter, but in fourth standard we are going to study something new. Students, what is perimeter? Yes, perimeter is the sum of the length of all the sides of a closed figure. It's called its perimeter. Now here the word closed figure is most important. We can find the perimeter of closed figures only. We cannot find out the perimeter of the open figure, because for counting the boundary or the outside border, it's called the perimeter. Have a look on this. Left hand side the perimeter, you can see the black arrows showing the direction and the addition sign is given. It means that we have to add all these three sides length, and whatever the addition answer we will get, it is called the perimeter of the given figure, or here it is a triangle. Outside boundary is called the perimeter. Extreme right hand side we have another triangle, but the area is covered with the yellow patch. Yes, this yellow inside area or inside space is called the area. Let's solve the sums and get more information. Students, see this diagram. Find the perimeter. Here triangle figure is given and the length of each side of the triangle is 40 meter. So first we have to find out the formula of the perimeter. The formula of the perimeter is the perimeter of the triangle. Here if the triangle figure is given, you can write triangle, or you can change the name according to the figure given. For example, rectangle, square, or if you don't know the shape of the figure, you can write only figure, the perimeter of the figure. The sum of the length of all the three sides. Now as it is given 40 meter, 40 meter and 40 meter, right? So 40 plus 40 plus 40 is equal to 120 meter. After adding it, we'll get the answer 120 meter. The unit for the perimeter is only meter, or it may be centimeter, kilometer. It depends on the length of the sides given. Let's take one more figure to find out the perimeter. To find out the perimeter of a rectangle, simply work out the distance all the way around the outside of the circle. You can see the arrows outside the rectangle figure. The perimeter of the rectangle below is 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 16 centimeter. Right? The length of all the four sides, we need to add it. After adding it, whatever the number we will get, that is called the perimeter of the rectangle. And the unit for writing down the perimeter is centimeter. Area. Area is the amount of surface a figure covers. The size of the surface, that is the space inside the boundary of an object, such as a square, rectangle or any closed figure. Just now before this slide we have seen that yellow color triangle. Yes, students, you can just go backward and see the slide again. You will come to know what is an area. Here students, units of area. We can find the area of a figure by counting the number of squares it covers. Area is always measured in square units, that is square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer. But SQ, dot cmsq dot m. It's a short form of the units of an area. Yes, we'll take the example of this figure. All the small squares are of 1 square centimeter area. Here the scale is already given that we need to count the small squares occupied by the figure. The area of the figure is equal to number of small squares occupied by the figure. Here, after counting the number of small squares, I got 15. It means the area covered by this figure is 15 square centimeter. In 4th standard students, the small squares only we need to count. But as we'll go in higher standard, the formulas will be there for the different figure to find out the areas. Students, here all small squares are of 1 square centimeter. Try to find out the area of the given figures and evaluate yourself. Happy learning, students.